Today, we'll crack the questions on types of shares. Let's see how many you get right. So the question 1 is, the portion of share capital that cannot be issued by the company beyond the prescribed limit stated in Memorandum of Association is A. Issued capital, B. Authorized capital, C. Subscribed capital, or D. Paid up capital. The correct answer is B. Question number 2. Assertion. Subscribed capital can never be more than issued capital, and the reason is subscribed capital refers to the part of issued capital actually taken by the public. Options are both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. Option B, both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is true, R is false. Or option D, A is false, R is true. The correct answer is option number A. Number 3rd. Reserve capital is a capital set aside out of profit to meet future contingencies. Option B, capital which has been kept in reserves for issue in future. Option C, that part of uncalled capital which can be called up only in case of winding up of company. Or option D, excess of issue price over face value of shares. Option number C, that part of uncalled capital which can be called up only in case of winding up of company. Next, question number 4 is, a company issued 1 lakh shares of 10 each. Face value कितनी है? 10 की है. Payable 3 on application, 4 on allotment, 3 on final call. It received applications for 1,20,000 shares and allotted 1 lakh shares on a pro rata basis. One shareholder holding 500 shares did not pay allotment and फाइनल कॉल. तो 500 पे अलॉटमेंट और फाइनल कॉल नहीं दिया है, तो ये क्या क्रिएट होगा? कॉल्स इन एरियर. फाइंड कॉल्ड अप कैपिटल एंड पेड अप कैपिटल. ऑप्शंस आर गिवन बिलो. ऑप्शन नंबर बी. So the correct answer will be option number B. Question number 5. A company's authorized capital is rupees 5 lakhs. It issued 40,000 shares of rupees 10 each. Public subscribed for 35,000 shares and paid rupees 8 per share. Out of these, shareholders holding 2,000 shares did not pay the final call of rupees 2 per share. What is the issued capital, subscribed capital, called up capital and paid up capital? So the correct option is option number B.